to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be talking about do's and don'ts of relaxers. So without further ado, let's get started. But before we start this video, in case you are new here in this channel, you are free to comment whatever video you want to see, your questions, challenges, worries, anything at all about your hair journey or concerning the hair topic in general. All you have to do is leave them in the comment section down below, and what I do is to pick them one after the other and make a video on them specially for you, because we are one family and we are here to support and help each other on our hair journey to attain our goals. So that's why I'm trying as much as I can, to the best of my knowledge, to help each and every one of us attain our goals in our hair journey. Now let's get right back into this video. Now, like I said, in today's video we are going to be talking about the do's and don'ts of relaxer, what you should do with a relaxer and what you shouldn't do with a relaxer. Now the first thing I'm going to talk about is reading the label or reading the container or whatever packaging your relaxer comes in. Okay, every relaxer has its own rules. It has its own application process. You can't buy a relaxer and just go ahead and apply it on your hair straight away without going through the content, without reading the label, without knowing what's the recommended time, the recommended application, the rules concerned with using the relaxer. Some relaxers even come with tips. For example, the relaxer I use, the Profectiv Mega Growth relaxer, which I've talked about in another video. You can check it out if you are interested. The relaxer actually comes with tips. Things like you shouldn't wash your hair about 2 weeks prior to the relaxer process. You shouldn't braid your hair 2 weeks prior to the relaxer process. You shouldn't scratch your hair or irritate your scalp about 2 weeks prior to the relaxer process. So you can see that it's very essential for you to read the packaging of your relaxer or the label that came with the relaxer. They are there for a reason. They did not just come with the relaxer to decorate it. So make sure to go through what is written on the packaging. Make sure to go through the ingredients as well, because some of us have allergies. In case you see an ingredient there that you are allergic to, at least you won't have issues, so that you can just go ahead and pick another relaxer instead of coming down with health challenges after applying the relaxer. So always make sure to read the packaging of your relaxer. Another thing when it comes to relaxers is to do a strand test before applying a relaxer on your hair, especially if you are using the relaxer for the first time. If you are switching relaxers or if you are going to relax your hair for the first time, it is important to do a strand test on your hair before going to apply the relaxer on your hair in total. It is even written on some of the packages that comes with these relaxers. Always make sure to do a strand test to make sure the relaxer you are going to apply is actually compatible with your hair, so that you can avoid damaging your hair if the relaxer was supposed to damage your hair. So make sure to do a strand test before doing a relaxer process, especially if you are new to the relaxed world or if you are switching relaxers completely to a different brand or something like that. Now the next thing I'm going to talk about is actually related to relaxers that have activators. Okay, don't store those form of relaxers for your next relaxer day. What I mean is that if, for example, you have already missed the activator with the relaxer and you couldn't finish it, don't go ahead and store it in a container or in something hoping you will use it on your next relaxer day. If it doesn't get finished, discard it straight away, because you are going to damage your hair if you go ahead and use that relaxer on your hair later on. So if you've already missed your relaxers with your activators and you couldn't finish it, make sure to discard it. Okay, don't store it. The relaxers and the activators were separated for a reason. If they could stay in that form and be stored, they wouldn't come in separate packagings. They would be together. So they were separated for a reason. So if you already missed them and you couldn't finish them, make sure to discard them straight away. Don't store them for your next relaxer day. On your next relaxer day, get a new set of relaxers and activators to apply on your hair. So those are some of the do's and don'ts when it comes to hair relaxers. Now when it comes to the application process itself and all that, I have a different video entirely on that. When it comes to rules you have to abide by when you want to apply relaxers on your hair, such as how long you should wait after a relaxer before you install protective styling, and so much more. I've already made a video on that. I have a whole playlist on hair relaxers, so you find the video in that playlist. The link to that playlist is in the description box below, so make sure to check it out if you are interested. And if you stayed with me to this point of the video, thank you so much. I appreciate your love, I appreciate your support. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new here and you aren't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload a video on YouTube. So that's it guys, I didn't want to make this video so long. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.